I'm Kat, I'm the club's archivist, and we've been here for the last 2 days pitching some of the tents from the archive collection. The collection has over 60 tents, ranging from an early one from the 1900s, which was owned by Thomas Hiram Holding, who's the club's founder, to some from the 1980s. This tent I'm sat in front of is a large cottage tent made by Camtors, which was the club's own brand. They also made this windbreak and the bucket and the bowl that you see here. Quite a lot of the items that we have in the archive were donated by members. The sleeping bag was donated by someone whose father had given it to him, and his father had used it a lot for camping in the 1930s. We also have the windbreak, which was donated by a different member who'd used it, and he'd inherited it also from his father. The stove is a portable monitor stove of the type that was used for the army, and it was very portable and lightweight. This is an Atiza Mark I, which was also made by Camtors in the 1930s. As you can see, it's much smaller and more compact than the large cottage tent. This is a gem tent for one person, and we're not sure when it's from exactly, but it was made by a club member called Ernest Balint. This is a two-man Benjamin Edgington tent called a Monarch. This is a Robert Saunders solo hike tent, which we believe to be from the 1960s. This is a Black's Tinker tent. Black's actually bought out Camtors, which was the club's brand, and started producing the same tents that they had been. This is a Camtors Jackson and Warr super senior tent displayed with pennons from the 1950s. This is an inflatable Euro Pleasure igloo tent from around 1960. So the club archive is a living archive. We have tents, equipment, pennons. If you have anything that you think might be interesting, just get in contact with us.